Welcome. Today we'll be learning about the aldosterone signaling pathway. The signaling pathway begins when the kidney senses a drop in blood pressure, which initiates the next process with renin, which is released into the bloodstream to access the liver. Once the enzyme renin reaches the liver, it allows for there to be a creation of angiotensin 1, which is later converted into angiotensin 2 by the ACE enzyme found in the lungs or in the kidneys. The hormone angiotensin 2 later causes the release of the hormone aldosterone, which begins the second half of the signaling process. In order for the next portion of the process to begin, aldosterone has to travel through the bloodstream. From the bloodstream, aldosterone travels through the extracellular fluid to reach the cell. Waiting for aldosterone within the cell is the receptor mineralocorticoid. Aldosterone binds to this receptor, and thanks to mineralocorticoid, it's able to reach the nucleus. From there, the DNA within the nucleus is then transcribed into mRNA. The mRNA that was just transcribed begins to travel outside of the nucleus into the cytoplasm of the cell, and thanks to the ribosomes found in the cytoplasm, it is turned into a protein. The protein created by the signaling pathway ends up resulting in the sodium and potassium regulation within the human body. And to go into specifics, sodium is released into the bloodstream, meanwhile potassium is pumped into the nephron, where the mRNA was transcribed. This ends up balancing the salt and water levels in the kidney. Potassium is released through urination and sodium is absorbed in the bloodstream, and as a result, blood pressure is regulated.